I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable transaction notifications on your Discover card, follow these steps to set it up easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Discover website or open the Discover app. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, find the Account Settings or Profile section. This is usually located in the menu or under your account overview. Step 3. Find Notification Preferences. In the Account Settings, look for Notification Preferences or Alerts. This is where you can manage your transaction notifications. Step 4. Enable Transaction Notifications. Select the option to enable transaction notifications. You may have choices for email, text, or app notifications. Choose your preferred method. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your preferences, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. If you miss this step, your settings won't be applied. Now you're all set to receive transaction notifications on your Discover card. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.